So welcome to another edition of Sawdust. In Rhode Island, water is everywhere. Garrett's come up with a solution to solve that, a pretty good one.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan Sweenor, and this is my tool belt. Cut.
I have done a lot of decks on top of rubber roofs like this in this type of sleeper system. And I know that the problem that all builders have is burying this rubber roof that we can never access again.
Next up is the pond.
It's actually a special product that we were exposed to back in the days when we did a lot of golf course construction.
My name is Cassie Collinson. I am owner of Cassie's Cans, Inc. We do portable toilet restroom rental. And this is what we do about 90% of the day.
And next, we'll be installing some barn doors.